All right, today we're gonna learn how to paint this die. So the question today is, how were dice originally used? All right, let's run through the colors.
Alizarin red, pearly red, primary yellow, yellow ochre, red oxide, ultramarine blue, quin blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black.
Let's get the party started. Alright, we just got in that initial layer. We got kind of a iron oxide mixed in with a little bit of black to make it a little bit darker, less red, more brown. I got a little bit warmer version of that, so it's kind of like that really nice brown contrast to the blue. Obviously that wouldn't be in casinos, but who knows, maybe there'd be a brown table with blue dice, but we'll see what we do in the next layer. Alright, we got done with the initial kind of dark brown and terracotta brown here with a blue background, so it has a nice pop. I might do more of an orange here, we'll see. Gonna fill in those colors, kind of fill in the light blue and the dark blue, outline the dice so you can see those shapes a little more clearly, and hopefully we might just do all white, so it's not accurate, but it just makes it look more like dice, I think. So the question was kind of the original use of dice. So the original use of dice came from kind of knuckle bones and bones of animals that people had caught during the hunt, or if they had used livestock and they captured, slaughtered those animals for their regular meat. And so what they did with these bones is they made them into dice, and early kind of religious leaders of the community would use them to kind of roll dice and fortune tell, basically people's fortune based on the dice, how they rolled. Obviously other versions of this is palm reading or tea leaves, so there's kind of a mystical origin to dice and what they originally were used for before they kind of evolved into just popular games that people would gamble on. And that's the question of the day. All right, we just finished. Let's take a closer look. So we got this really nice kind of orange terracotta color on the top, and a really nice dark rich red. I think it's reading a little lighter than it is in this photo. I two-toned the dice. Originally it was kind of the same color, and this one I think has really good proportionality. It does look like a dice kind of rolling from a distance, so that's good. I used a lot less. I didn't use the 6 on one side like I did in the other dice, so that made it a lot easier just to paint the one. Although it was really hard to kind of get that verticality and oval shape correct in line with the dice. The walls are a little off, but I think it reads pretty decent. Yeah, it's kind of, I had a darker brown earlier in the painting on the bottom, and now it's kind of more of a chocolate rich color. So that's kind of an interesting tone with the blue. It makes the blue kind of pop more, I think. Hopefully you guys like it. I think it's pretty good. Give me a thumbs up if you want. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And check out my Patreon account. I have the full version of this painting. Talk to you later, guys.